Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Jeff Anthony, the general manager here at Kafka and Neighborhood. And today I actually got to stay in the office, didn't have to go to corporate, so I wanted to make sure that I went ahead and did another video of a featured home. So today we're going to do the Elation, which is on home site number 8 at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. Just like yesterday, we're going to go ahead and start off with the website where you can go and take a look at the home online, how to find it from our webpage. Now there's a link below that takes you directly to the home site, but if you were just kind of wanting to go through the whole thing, we're going to go ahead and take a look at that and show you how to get through there. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So right now I'm on the website, which is kafkoandneighborhood.com. Actually, let me go home there. This is already at the reserve. But this is where you would land at. You would hang over to the right with your cursor, select the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. Once you're on the page for the reserve on Sleepy Hollow, you can go ahead and scroll on down, and it's going to show you basically where this home is at. You can go to the direct links here for the home sites. Like I mentioned, this is on home site number 8. That's the quickest way for you to take a look at the home. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on that home there, click on home details, and that will take us straight to the Elation home, which is built by TruMH. This is a 14 by 66, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath home. As we scroll down, it's going to show you the floor plan of the home itself. Now, our home does have the dishwasher, so it's the extended countertop that goes here. So our home does have the dishwasher already in there. There is no carpet in this home whatsoever, so all this area here would be no carpet. It would be all one-piece laminate that goes through the home itself. So once again, this is a 14 by 66, 902 square feet. Now, of course, when you come to our website, you'll be able to do a virtual tour of the home itself, just much like the Santa Fe that we did yesterday. You'll be able to go through the floor plan itself virtually, and it's going to show you the home with decor in it. There is going to be a second virtual tour that's attached to here that is of the specific home located there at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. So we'll go ahead and we'll back out of this home here. This is a very popular home. I'm going to go ahead and show you the Elation that's actually there. Okay. Now, as you go through the home itself, you're going to see these little 360 tours. Let me get a little bit closer. This is going to show you what it looks like from the 8x10 front deck. Now there is a concrete sidewalk now that walks towards the parking area there, but this kind of shows you exactly from the home site where it's located. Now this 360 tour here will take you to the parking, so you can see the actual front of the home itself. And then if you want to get back into the home, go ahead and click on the walk and it'll take you right back into the house itself. Okay, so you'll be able to travel through the home, take a look at it, see what you think. There's an actual 360 for the back as well. Now, Kafka and Neighborhood is the first home builder located at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. So what that means is you can be amongst the first residents that will be living there at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. This is a great community with luxury amenities that will be coming by the end of this summer, which will be the clubhouse. It'll be the swimming pool. It's going to be the lake will be full, and it'll be catch and release fishing. You're going to have the walking trails. I believe the playgrounds and the ramadas and the parks will be completed by this summer as well. So this home has a lot to offer you. Um, as you go through, you're going to see pictures of the home with the core inside of it, because obviously we want you to have a general idea of what the home looks like with furniture. And then you're going to see pictures of the home itself there at the reserve on Sleepy Hollow. Obviously, we want you to know exactly which home you're getting, what it looks like, because we don't want you to think that we're pulling any punches. All right, so let's get to the good part of the home, which everybody wants to know is what the price of this home is. So online it's priced at $103,699. But as you know, we are offering this home at a discount for our grand opening because we want to get the first initial homes under contract, get you moved in so you can be the first to live there at the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. And we can go ahead and bring in more homes uh, so that way you know that you're getting equal or better quality being brought in to your neighborhood to help you keep values up. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the price of the Elation. Once again, that's a 1466 3H by True. Home site number 8 with the price of 103,636. We are now selling that for 91,200. That's over $12,000 in savings. The home site rental fee there is $775 per month, which would be in addition to your home mortgage. So we wanted to show you the information regarding the home. We don't want you to ever feel like we're pulling punches and we're not being transparent in what we're selling. The prices that we show here includes the home pad, utility connections, tap fees, permits, includes the smart panel skirting, the front and back decks, includes the EV charging port, includes the home installation, the air conditioning system, the concrete sidewalk, and the back concrete pad for the home itself. So this is a full turnkey operation. What you would be responsible for is obviously applying for your utilities with Chateau Woods, which cover water, sewer, and trash. And then Entergy is who will energize your home. So those are the utility companies there. Easy Fiber is the high-speed internet provider and cable TV provider there at the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. So that's pretty much the second home that we're going to feature here from the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. Like I mentioned, we have 13 ready to move in homes. I will be in town starting Monday afternoon, and I will be there till Friday evening to do in-person tours, and be happy to go ahead and start financing or put a contract under one of these homes to get you in there and start living at the Reserve on Sleepy Hollow. If you have any questions, you can always just send me a message here at the Kafka Neighborhood Facebook page, or you can email me at gm088@palmharbor.com. You can also give us a call at 817-766-4250. Even when I'm traveling, that line will connect to my cell phone so I can make sure I am able to answer your calls. Please leave a message so I understand that you're calling in regards to these specific homes. I get so many phone calls from spam, so I figure if you don't leave a message, it's just a spam call. Let's see here. Other than that, that's all that we have. We wish you a great, fantastic day. Take care, and God bless.